Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 23rd, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus left, the medium Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku, and this will be number 4167. Okay, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me count the printed digits here in this puzzle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 26 printed digits. And if you compare with this puzzle with the puzzles in additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about this column, the middle column? 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this big square, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9. Sorry, 6 and a 9 in this column. 6 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 1 8 4 let me see. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. 6. Well. Interesting. How about the number? I'm thinking 6. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And then 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this middle column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? 5, 4, 5, 2, 7. Okay. 2, 5, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 2 boxes left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 2. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And now, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see this number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. So here we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 178, 178, 178. Okay. That means we have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 2. We have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. 178. That means 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 5, 5. Yeah. 9, 9. Let me think. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Okay. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We see here 1, a 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. Okay. Then. Let me see. A 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. You see here 5 in this column. No 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in this row. So no 5 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 5. Should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in the first column. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. That means 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. How about this box? In the first row for the number 1. 1 is missing. 1. Yes. 2 missing numbers in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 6 and 7, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there, 7 in this third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So here we have 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are missing in this big square. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box will be an 8. Okay, 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. All right. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Only, well, let me drink something. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. We have a 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Finished in 50 minutes. Exactly. Well, let me give this a 1 star. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those numbers for 4 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. 825. 825. 746. 746. 961. 961. So here we have the 6 as a pair. 1 pair. Yes. Alright. Thank you again. And I will see you later for the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.